Go, Buster!
Whoa!
The frightful forest.
That's spooky. Let's explore. Next stop, frightful forest.
I don't know, Buster. Those clouds look really dark. What if it rains?
Relax, Scout. It's not gonna rain. Come on, Bumper Bunch. Let's move. I've never been here before. Maybe there are monsters here. Or a secret treasure.
Buster, wait up. We'll get lost.
Digley, relax. I'm a bus, remember? I know where I'm going.
Guys, I don't like this place.
Ash, relax.
Don't worry. According to my calculations, the chances of a storm are... It's really loud. I don't like it. Oh, lightning is very dangerous and we're made of metal.
Nobody panic! Nobody panic!
Buster, what do we do?
Guys, relax.
We can't relax. It's pouring with rain.
We need to get home now. I can find the way. I think.
Whoa, forked lightning.
Not now, Digley. It's so wet. I can't see where I'm going.
No! I'm out of charge!
Nobody gets left behind. Come on, Scout. We'll push you.
It's a river!
The path has flooded. We're trapped.
What if we sink? Or rust?
We can get across. If we go together, we'll be strong enough. We can do this. Bumper Bunch, let's move.
I am a brave adventurer.
Come on, let's get out of here.
We made it! Thanks to you, Buster.
Sorry I led us into the rain, but we made it back together. Well done, everyone.